Hey guys, what's up? It's Patrick here, and today bringing you guys a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about something that is near and dear to my heart, and that is some Easter eggs that are added to the single player map. As you guys know, I started my channel by making single player map guides, and rather than make new maps, which I'm still asking them to do pretty much every single day, they decided to add in some Easter eggs to a couple of the levels. So I'm going to show you guys 3 Easter eggs today. You guys can probably find a bunch of others, and if you find any, make sure you drop a comment in the comment section below, and you guys can tell everyone else what you have found. Alright, so first of all, let's go ahead and check out Goblin Picnic, and you'll notice the statue of P.E.K.K.A. on the bottom. If you drop a jump spell and then drop a Barbarian or any type of troops to jump over, it's actually going to activate the present bomb, and you guys might remember that from one of the previous winter updates. So pretty much all it's going to do is going to activate the trap, the reindeer will actually fly over the top, and it's going to demolish pretty much any of the troops that you have sitting there, and you guys probably remember that from a while back. So they actually added in a bunch of the Easter eggs with the old updates and like some of the traps that you guys haven't seen in a while. So I was really like cracking up when I saw that one, and it reminded me of the Santa surprise spell that came out in like winter of 2012 for the first winter update in Clash. So if you go to natural defense next, you guys might see that there's a new gold storage on the very bottom, and when you go to attack it, they actually turned into scumbags and put some Teslas on the outside of it. So safe to say Supercell has adapted to the scumbag motto of putting traps and Teslas next to your town hall. So I was sort of disappointed not to see any giant bombs, but anyways, it was something funny they did on that map. Alright, for the last one I'm going to show you guys today is Rat Valley. If you look at the tombstone on the top right and you drop a troop next to it, you're going to see the pumpkin bomb from Halloween of I think 2013, where a lot of people were trying to keep their pumpkin bomb as alive as long as they could, and it was pretty funny to see one of those on this map. So go ahead and experiment. If you guys drop troops around a bunch of the different maps, I'm sure you'll find a bunch of the different Easter eggs. Make sure you drop a comment with the ones that you find, and I'll check them out and try to do another video later. That's going to do it. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.